Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm going to unbox this doll. I know, such an oddity for my channel. But Darren bought me two of these so that I could, indeed, so I could get one out. I'm going to do as least damage as I can here.
Would you like the blue little clippers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I would. All right, he got me the magic clippers. I'm going to pull this out if I can without tearing that up. I'm kind of I'm like Tina Turner. There is no nice and easy. Nice and rough. All right, here we go. So there's her stand. That's cool. I always like it when a dog gets a stand. These are magical. They're for Darren's 3D stuff. But, you know, I think I'm going to work. No? I'm going to leave that on there. Just cut. I'll be right back. All right, I have Darren cut her free. I'm really not a nice and easy kind of person. I've seen people unbox these, but I had not seen one up close. How cute are her shoes? She's got mermaid tail on this one and kind of a tree on that one. She has on fishnets. Actually, they're more scale. I thought they were fishnets. Well, she's just cute. Oh, and her little earrings are clam shells. Can you see that? Very cute. And I like Monster High. They have a lot of articulation. Very cute little outfit. Much like what they wear at Nevermore. Oh, that's a cute doll. And we got her out because today, oh, she has this little, it does, I'm not pulling on it. Lord knows I'll break it. She has a little backpack, kind of cute. Today is the 16th, which is Dolls Gone Goth Day. And today the theme for across the board, when I say across the board, I mean Amaya Rain Day, Dolls Gone Goth Day, and Hi Barbie is water play. So I thought she would be perfect for today's video. I do these videos with Dory's Dollies. We offer it as a collab that she and I do for a challenge for anyone on YouTube that would like to do a video on the challenge theme that we give. Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Dory's Dollies, is the monthly Dolls Gone Goth. We're down at our pond with Bianca, who is thinking about taking a little swim. It is evening time. It is beautiful out. The bullfrogs jumped in the water as we walked up. I wish we would have been set up a moment sooner and you could have heard it. It's so cool. We just love it here. You can hear the frogs in the background, and a bat just flew past my head. No, not kidding. A bat just flew past my head as I was setting up. Dory, this is so much fun, and how appropriate is that bat for Dolls Gone Goth? Thank you, Dory, so much for month after month of fun after fun. Thank you to every single person that enjoys joining in with us for the Dolls Gone Goth videos. If you have a video today, please leave it in the comments that you have one, because I would sure like to see it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Join us live on Thursday nights at 6 p.m. Central. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.